Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today we're doing an unboxing. So before that, girls, I have a tip for you. Whenever you choose an anniversary, make it kind of spread out, because I feel like that's a mistake that I did. Because first, my birthday is December 16, which is so close to Christmas. So I'm so used to getting one gift for Christmas and for my birthday. And then for some reason, I decided choosing February 8th for our anniversary, which is very near Valentine's Day. So I also got just one gift for that. And Feb to December is kind of far. It's July right now, and you know, my language of love is gifts. So somehow I was able to tell my husband that, hey, I think I need a gift. We looked for a reason. The reason was I finally got my intern license. So here is that gift. I kind of have an idea what it is because I've been telling him the stuff that I want. So girls, another tip, you know, if you think your partner does not really know what you want, sometimes you have to be very blunt about it. So right now I know that it's a purse from Tory Burch. This will be my third purse from them. The first two I bought for myself. The first one I got from a trip in Japan, which I really loved. And then I got another purse when this whole COVID thing started, because I was just like so stressed out. I'm like, oh, I have to reward myself. So let's open it now. So I kind of know what it is. I'm just not sure which of those purses that I chose and what color he actually got me. This will probably be the smallest Tory Burch I have, because the two ones are like tote bags. Okay. Oh, it's okay. The first one I got in Japan from a store, and then the other one I got online via Nordstrom, I think. So this is the first time that I get something from Tory Burch. So let's see. Oh, look, that is nice. Okay, so comes with that. I'm trying to look for the price, but I don't see the price. Anyway, so it's a receipt. It comes in that. And then, okay. Thank you. We hope you found exactly what you were looking for and that you love it. Oh, that is nice. Okay, here it is. Let's move that. Okay, let's move this over here. Pretty excited. This is a real unboxing. Obviously, I did not open it before filming, so okay. Oh, look. So obviously it's packed really well. It has all this papers around it. Okay, let me cut that out real quick. Okay, so it has all that packaging, nice and neat. Okay. It comes with a, oh, look at the dust bag. It's really cute. Okay, that is Tory Burch dust bag. Okay, look at the inside. It have this like little paintings over there. I'm pretty happy about it. Okay. Let's remove all those stuff inside. Tags. Okay, let me remove this real quick so you can see how the chain would look like. So, I have stages with bags for a while. Like, I would like them and then not care about them, and I like them again and I don't care about them. I've always been a shoe person, but recently I've been into bags because, well, you know what they say with bags, you don't really have to try it on if you're shopping online because it doesn't change in size. Unlike for clothes, you know, some would fit nicely, some wouldn't. And with shoes, you have to like consider how comfortable they are. So I think bags are like one of those things that are very easy to buy online. Like most of the time, it's not expectations versus reality kind of thing. So yeah, there are some of those things that, you know, you wouldn't mind buying online. Well, here in the US, it's very easy to return stuff. So yeah. Okay, look. So the chain is really nice. It would have like that metal chain and it has leather intertwined in it. Okay. This is my first unboxing, so forgive me if it's such a mess. But yeah. So I wouldn't say I really collect bags because generally I don't care what brand it is as long as it is nice. I like structured bags. I don't know if you will notice like in some of my posts or like pictures, I would always have a bag that would stand, like as you can see it on its own, it would stand, because it's just me, I feel like it's more elegant in some way. Okay, I'm kind of careful not to cut the leather because I'm really clumsy with those kind of things. Yeah. So before, what I did when I was still in the Philippines is if I go to like a country or visit a country or a place and I would see like really nice bags, I don't care what brand it is, I would buy it. So one time I was in Bangkok with my friends. Hello my friends, I miss you all. And we saw this really nice leather bag that was like handmade. I bought it. I don't care what brand it is. It lasted me a few years. Actually, I brought it here in the US and it just recently died natural death. So I've been in search for another brown leather bag. So, okay. Yeah. Anyway. Yeah, look. I think it's pretty spacious. I think this will fit quite a bit of stuff. So I'm not a big person. I try to carry the minimal amount of stuff except when I travel. So I use my two previous Tory Burch bags to travel because, you know, when you travel you have to carry a lot of things. But like if I just go to the mall or eat out with my husband, I usually just carry a small bag. Or before, when I will go out with my friends, I will do that too. So it's you can carry it as a shoulder bag, I guess, and a crossbody. Okay, so I guess that's it for today. Maybe someday I'll do like what fits in it. But yeah, I love the color. See, well, yeah, it's still blue. Well, I hope you enjoyed the unboxing today. See you again next time, guys.